how to send money from the US to Pakistan with Western Union. You will need to load up the app and then sign into your account. Now here where it says send money, we will need to select the country. So we just want to find Pakistan from the list of countries here. And OP, so Pakistan is right here. You will need to type the amount which you are trying to send to the receiver. So let's just do $10 as an example, and it's going to convert it here to Pakistani rupees. So you can do either a bank account, you can do a cash pickup, or mobile wallet. So let's just say that we want to do it on the mobile wallet, and it's going to give you all of the available wallets here for Pakistan in this case. So you have EasyPayza, JazzCash, and all of these others. So if you want to do it, let's just do JazzCash as an example. Then you will need to provide your payment card method. So if you're using a credit card, you will select it here at the top. Apple Pay, bank transfer, bank account is going to be free. So here you will see the fees as well. And after you have selected your payment method, you will click on continue. Now here you will need to complete your profile. So I'm just going to select this, and we will need to type our first name, last name, mobile number, birthday, street address, all of this info. And after you type this out and click on continue, you will just need to verify or initiate the payment, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.